Now, this is a Cynix TV. The model number is 32E1M, and I want to show you how to connect what is known as iCast. So, this is not a digital television, but you can actually cast whatever is on your phone onto the screen. The feature that enables this is known as iCast, and to do that, we're going to use our remote control and press the source button all the way down up to iCast. Now, take your phone and make sure that the Wi-Fi is on. It's not a must you connect it to any network, just make sure that it's on. So now go to your settings and look for cast screen. You can look for it like this, or you can just scroll down from the top of your screen and select cast screen. In this case, I am still recording. I don't know if this will work, but let's try. Enable your wireless display, and then you can see that on my mobile phone, I have the iCast connection on my TV. Now on your TV, you can see the instructions. Start cast function from the phone settings. Search for iCast TV in the cast function. Pair and the screen of your device will be casted on the TV screen. I'm now connecting. My screen recording has just ended. The phone is connecting over here. And you can see I have my screen on the television over there. Now with this is just like a smart television. I can now cast anything. I can cast media files. For example, let me open my VLC media and try playing this video onto my screen. I am now casting video from my phone to the Cynix TV through the VLC media application. Let me try audio. This is royalty-free music from YouTube.